All right, welcome back everybody to a daily private update. Today is June 18th. I'm doing a short video just to tell you a little bit of my thoughts on what's happening right now in the market. Don't need to be a clairvoyant or anyone professional to tell that things are looking ominous right now. Things are not looking whatsoever. Price action is dumping. Right now, the negative scenarios are playing out slowly but surely, and slowly, we'll need to see what price action wants to dictate. Maybe we're getting to that turning point that we were not expecting, but we were saying that is in the 10% only probabilities. Maybe that's going to pan out. First of all, let's take a look at Misari. Look, one thing going on here is that volumes are really low. All right, so there is selling pressure, but volumes are much lower than they were when there was higher movement pressure. All right, so that's a telltale that maybe we're not really dumping too hard now. To the downside, volume doesn't need to be really strong because there can be just no buyers. All right, if there are no buyers and only sellers, even on small volume, price can plummet. Right, just think about it. If no one wants to buy, so sellers need to always to put low and lower prices in order for anyone to just buy it. So that can happen, right? It can happen and it can still be bad, but usually you want to see if there is a turning point of something. You want to see big volumes even on the downside, and we don't see that, which is encouraging. But we need to be open-minded. Look, everything is on the red, really red. Even the small greens are just iffy. Uniswap is actually holding over here a bit strong, but nothing. All the strongest coins didn't hold really good at all. Look, let's take a look. Let's have a quick look on the charts and see what type of information kind of charts tell us. So first of all, let's take a look at, let's start on reverse. Let's start with Tone, right? Look, Tone got stopped me out yesterday on this action. I had my stop loss, below this last low over here, all right? So I got stopped out, which is below the 20-day EMA as well. So I didn't want to stay on this. We lost momentum. I didn't want to stay on it. Why to stay on something that has no momentum? Small profits because I got in over here and I added over here as well. So because I added over here, so this is only a small profit, right? Almost break even. You know that the rest already got stopped out and is continuing lower. So the strongest movers are actually continuing lower. If it's Ondu, if it's Pepe, all right? If it's BNB, right? If it's CAS, all goof, OM. Look, just breaking that. This looks very bad actually. OM looks like we need to start looking for shorting somewhere over here. This might build a platform like over here, like an inverse VCP to break to the downside, right? We might be needing to start looking for shorts over here. I'm opening my mind toward maybe we're going to start seeing setups. Yesterday I had a call with one of my dear clients. I love him very much. Hey, shout out to you, hey. And he asked me, hey, why aren't we shorting? If you think that market might be changing, why we're not shorting? And I told him, you know what, you're with me for a while, maybe you answer me that question. And after a while, he got it right. He told me, you know what, no setups. Right. You have biases in the market, which we usually put in the weekend study session. Sometimes you can change it midweek if market feedback says so. But even if you change your bias, you don't instantly put positions on, right? You need to find the setups. So right now, slowly but surely, I'm looking at things and I'm saying, hey, you know what? Shorts might be a thing. And you don't hear me say this a lot. Yes, I entertain shorts a lot, but I haven't seen setups really proliferating anywhere in the past months. So maybe now it will happen. Look, we had all this action, for example, on OM. This is maybe a stage 2 base, maybe stage 3. I thought this was a beautiful trade to take if someone took it and fake out, peekaboo and down, right? If you recall, and maybe you recall correctly, all right, I don't know, but this happened on INJ as well in the past, right? It happened over here on INJ. And INJ, sure as hell, was a nice short over here. Not the best setup, so we did not take it, but this looks very much like OM now. So OM might need to be our next short, right? And look, INJ, oh my fucking God, look, it got hammered. It got amazing move. I was like, INJ is building. Yeah, go INJ. Just a week ago, I was, yeah, INJ. And I was like, oh, INJ, run away, run away. INJ, INJ, run away, run away. Yes, sir. Oh my God, this looks bad. Look, things are looking from bad to worst, all right? From bad to worst. We just need to be really open-minded for shorts. Look, long-term positions that you are in profit, you can still hold them. It's only like what? For me, it's only around 5 to 10% of my entire net worth. So I don't really care about them yet. I'm still going to hold some of them. The Bitcoin portion for sure. I'm going to hold the rest of the position, the alts. I'm going to see, all right? Maybe we need to start thinking about selling something. They're all just part of the partial profits that we had on some sales. But look, I'm entertaining. I'm entertaining the fact that maybe, just maybe, all right, just maybe either we need a deeper correction before a continuation for the bull market for the end of the year, or who knows, maybe that's it. Maybe that's it. Maybe we had an echo bubble from the bull market of 2020-21, echo bubble now, and boom, bear market again. Who knows? I don't know, but things are not looking good. For me, the narratives are still the same, so I'm still leaning. The narratives should push the market up. But price action is king. And price action is telling me that things are looking funky as fuck, right? Things are not looking good whatsoever. Look at Floki. Look at Floki. Everything is just right now looking like a stage 3 topping. Jasmine is like one of the unicorns of heaven right now. Unicorn from heaven. Even this can just break down massively, all right? Break down massively. Let's take a look at Turbo just for a second. Yeah, just continuing. I made a video about meme coins are going to get decimated like a week ago and no one believed me. I got so much dislikes on it, but look, lo and behold. Anyway, let's take a look at Bitcoin for just one moment over here. Yeah, it's holding. It's holding right now, just a little bit. It's holding. It's weakening but holding, weakening but holding. So it's just a battle. We're still within the good ranges. I told in the weekly study session, I don't want to break this, all right? This is an area we can reach and that's okay with me, all right? But we should not break here, right? This area should not be break. If this is breaking down, and I told you that the 150 MA is right around over here and the 200 moving average is here. So breaking to this area and getting support from the 150 is still good. Breaking the 200-day below isn't good usually, right? It's not good usually. We can still go higher after a breakdown below the 200-day. This is not like mathematics, right? But it's not good. It's not good whatsoever. And we don't want that. We prefer to stick with momentum. Let's go, Bitcoin. Give us some love. If not, we're going to take shorts. Don't worry about it. We don't need Bitcoin to go up to make money. We're going to make money either way. But I prefer to make much more money on the upside first because the majority of my money comes from bull markets, like aggressive bull markets. So where are you? The real bull market, please stand up. All right, everyone. Hope you enjoyed today's update. This is what I have for you. I'm on the sidelines, 100% cash on my trading account. I'm just watching and rolling, and you know what? I'm just gonna watch for now. Give it a week. Read some books that I want to read. Watch the price action. Do some things. Projects I want to project. Maybe even go on vacation next week. Who knows? Just to clean the mind. See what's happening. Of course, on vacation I can still take trades, still do everything, but maybe it's just time to take a step back and, again, just give it a moment. Just wait and see what it wants to do. That's what we can do as traders. That's what we can do as traders. The beautiful thing in trading, in contrast to gambling, poker, or blackjack, is you don't need to pay an ante in order to see the hand. You can just wait to see what the hand is dealt with the market. So let's wait and see, everyone. Until next time, no edge, no trade. Cheers, everybody.